I look like Iron Man right here. I'm making Lego. I'm not making Lego. I'm building Lego. I'm gonna build this. Yeah, that's all I got. So this is where we're at right now. Nothing too fancy. Nothing too fancy. Oops. This is actually starting to look like something. It looks like a little boat. Starting to look like a tree. This has taken me about an hour so far. So, yeah. Update. I made all these little branch things. And I have like a swarm of them. So now it's time to decorate. After that, just gotta build a little platform, then I think I'm done. So this is probably gonna jump to when all the branches are on the tree. So, see you then. And these kind of look like candy. Not even gonna lie, I'm so tempted to eat them. But I won't. But now I just gotta build the last part. Oh no, I have one extra. You guys are gonna watch this. I'll put it right there. Sick. I don't know how long it took, but it took a decent amount of time. That kind of looks cool though. I think it needs more frogs.
There's like so much you have to consider. Ah, fuck.
I'm gonna consider me eating these Pop-Tarts.
Well, hopefully those Pop-Tarts give you powers, because we have a streak going. We shouldn't end it, you know? No? You want to end it? Huh?
No. Sorry, mouthful.
What I thought.
Search and destroy, but expect an enemy squad.
Oh my god.
Well, I've hit my quota.
Don't let the enemy level the objective. Keep them secure. One minute remaining. Guys, enemy bomb.
Where did my thing go? Oh. It landed on the thing as he picked it up, so it disappeared.
Bomb disarmed.
Struggle is real. You're welcome, bro. Wait, how'd you do it?